Important key points of this lecture include Bank Reconciliation Statement MCQs, Cash Book MCQs.
If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.
Bank Reconciliation Statement and Cash Book MCQs. Question number 1. The money can be deposited into the bank by means of A. Cash book, B. Checkbook, C. Pay-in slip, D. Passbook. The correct answer is C. Pay-in slip. Question number 2. When check received and deposited into bank account must be A. Credited, B. Debited, C. Both debited and credited, D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Debited. Question number 3. Our check to Mr. Smith, returned dishonored, should be credited to A. Check account, B. Cash account, C. Bank account, D. Mr. Smith account. The correct answer is D. Mr. Smith account. Question number 4. Mr. Adams' check endorsed to Mr. Robbins should be debited to A. Cash account, B. Check account, C. Mr. Robbins account, D. Mr. Adams account. The correct answer is C. Mr. Robbins account. Question number 5. Received a check from Mr. X $1,900. In full settlement of his debt, $2,000 should be debited to A. Cash account, B. Discount allowed account, C. Bank account, D. Both A and B. The correct answer is D. Both A and B. Question number 6. A cash account is A. Personal account, B. Nominal account, C. Real account, D. Both A and B. The correct answer is C. Real account. Question number 7. A statement which is used to reconcile the bank balances per cash book with the balances per bank statement is called A. Bank statement, B. Income statement, C. Bank reconciliation statement, D. Financial statement. The correct answer is C. Bank reconciliation statement. Question number 8. Bank reconciliation statement is prepared by A. Banker, B. Customer's accountant, C. Auditors, D. Manager. The correct answer is B. Customer's accountant. Question number 9. The favorable balance of the cash book bank column is A. Credit balance, B. Debit balance, C. Both debit and credit balance, D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Debit balance. Question number 10. The favorable balance of the bank statement is A. Credit balance, B. Debit balance, C. Both debit and credit balance, D. None of these. The correct answer is A. Credit balance. Question number 11. Unfavorable balances mean A. Credit balance in the bank statement, B. Credit balance in the cash book, C. Debit balance in the bank statement, D. Both B and C. The correct answer is D. Both B and C. Question number 12. Checks issued to a creditor but not presented for payment are called A. Uncredited checks, B. Uncollected checks, C. Unpresented checks, D. Dishonored checks. The correct answer is C. Unpresented checks. Question number 13. Checks received from debtors but not collected by the bank are called A. Dishonored checks, B. Uncredited checks, C. Unpresented checks, D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Uncredited checks. Question number 14. The debit balances of cash and bank accounts in the cash book are called A. Income, B. Liabilities, C. Expenses, D. Assets. The correct answer is D. Assets. Question number 15. The credit balance of bank account in the cash book is called A. Expense, B. Asset, C. Income, D. Liability. The correct answer is D. Liability. Question number 16. Bank statement is prepared by A. Debtor, B. Creditor, C. Banker, D. Customer. The correct answer is C. Banker. Question number 17. A customer check returned dishonored is recorded in A. Return outward book, B. Return inward book, C. Bill receivable book, D. Cash book. The correct answer is D. Cash book. Question number 18. A copy of the customer's account in the bank's ledger is called A. Deposit statement, B. Balance statement, C. Bank statement, D. Customer statement. The correct answer is C. Bank statement. Question number 19. All cash purchases and cash sales are recorded in A. Cash book, B. Purchases book, C. Sales book, D. Purchases and sales book. The correct answer is A. Cash book. Question number 20. A cash account always shows A. Debit balance, B. Credit balance, C. Both debit and credit balance, D. Zero balance. The correct answer is A. Debit balance.